Seiya, could you hold me close?
What?
I'm scared.
Okay, I got you. We're getting in.
Okay.
So why am I pressed up against a gorgeous girl in a swimsuit? I'm Takano Seiya. I'm a sophomore in high school heading to morning swim practice. You should be getting on the next stop. I've been curious about this girl who's been taking the same train as me lately.
Excuse me, coming through.
That's her! This beautiful high school girl! She's standing close again today. For some reason, she gets on next to me every single morning. But she's never said a word to me. She started standing next to me about a month ago. The first time I saw her. Whoa, she's gorgeous. I remember being pretty surprised. After that, she got on next to me every day for a week. It's not like I always stand in the same spot either. Sometimes I'm holding a pole. Sometimes I'm by the doors. But she always ends up right next to me. Why? Maybe she fell for me at first sight. Yeah, right. No way. I'm pretty built and tan, so girls have told me I look intimidating before. He's actually not scary once you talk to him. It's the best compliment I've gotten from girls. Meanwhile, she's pale and petite. From her height, I must look pretty imposing. The only thing I know about this girl who stands next to me is that she goes to Nanakuma High, which is a really prestigious school. Well, you can just tell from her uniform.
Oh wow, there's a girl like that? I'd love to meet her.
This is Mito, my childhood friend. He's dressed like this, but he's totally a guy. No way! I'm absolutely not introducing you.
Why not?
Think about why you're dressed like that in the first place. Mito's always been athletic and he's still the soccer team's ace, but he's also an idiot who was dating 5 girls at the school at the same time. When he got caught, his punishment is spending today in drag.
Wait, so Seiya, you actually like this girl who's standing next to you?
It's not like that.
Now I really want to meet her. What time's the train?
No way! You can't handle mornings. There's no way you make it for my morning practice time.
True. That girl must be really pushing herself to get up early.
Don't compare her to you.
Did you know Nanakuma High doesn't have a morning club activities?
Really?
Yeah, maybe they have some morning study sessions. But, do you ever see other kids in Nanakuma uniforms?
Come to think of it, no.
I knew it! I bet she's going to school super early, just to see Seiya.
What? Man, when he puts it like that, it makes me even more curious. The next day, the girl got on her usual stop and stood right near me. Should I try talking to her? While I was thinking about it, we pulled into the next station. Whoa, way more people got on today. Due to an emergency stop in the Hachikuma line today, we're providing an alternative service. That explains it. Wait, where'd she go? When I looked down... Being small, she was getting pushed around even worse than me.
Huh?
Stand over here.
What?
It's probably more comfortable over here.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much.
I switched spots with her. There we go. But still, there's so many people today. Just when I thought that, the train jerked hard.
Ah!
Whoa! Startled by the sudden movement,
What?
Ah! Sorry, I'm so sorry.
I know what happened. You're Hoshino Seiya, aren't you?
How does she know my name? Well, yes. Wait, what do you mean I know what happened? Does she think I touched her on purpose? That's not it. How can I get her to believe me? But I did touch her. That's a fact. Am I going to get arrested?
You're Mako's.
Huh?
Childhood friend, right?
In the end, I didn't get turned over to the police.
You guys are such idiots.
Instead, I'm being chewed out by my childhood friend. You're absolutely right.
I'm really sorry.
Just so you know, you're an idiot too, Mito.
I know, sis.
You really look alike.
Now let me explain. This girl with glasses wearing the Nanakuma uniform is my childhood friend, Mako. She's a twin sister of Mito, my other childhood friend who goes to my school. The girl I bumped into on the train goes to the same school as Mako. So she came along as a mutual friend when I apologized. As for Mito,
Hey, I'm coming too. I said I'm coming. It's not fair if it's just Mako.
hey, this isn't supposed to be fun. He just wanted to come because he thought it'd be entertaining. I'm really sorry about this morning.
Oh, I'm Hanoka Alice. I'm in Mako's class.
Wait, didn't we introduce ourselves before?
No, back then Mako just said I was a friend.
Huh? Back then?
Don't you remember?
Sorry, when was that?
When Mako came to cheer at Seiya's swimming meet.
The meet? Oh, right! I remember. Back in March when I was still a freshman, I competed in a swimming competition. Mako happened to have something to do nearby, so she came to cheer me on.
Good job out there.
Oh wow, you actually came.
Well, yeah, I brought a friend along.
Cool. The one hiding behind Mako back then must have been Alice. I couldn't really see her face, but maybe she's scared of me.
It was my first time at a swim meet, so I was nervous and couldn't introduce myself properly. I'm sorry.
No, don't worry about it at all. I didn't mind.
There's more to it than that, isn't there?
Mako.
Huh? What?
Alice, you fell for him at first sight, didn't you?
What?
What?
Well, technically, you fell for his swimming.
My swimming?
Yes, I actually can't swim, and watching Seiya swim made me think, I wish I could swim like that.
So that's what you meant by love at first sight.
She's actually the super rich girl who gets driven to school in fancy cars, but she started taking the train in the mornings just to see Seiya.
Mako, you don't have to tell him everything.
So that's why she was standing next to me. Sorry, I had no idea.
You did notice there was this really cute girl always standing nearby, though.
Hey, Mito.
Wait, don't tell me you groped her just because Alice is cute.
No way. The morning was really crowded and the train was shaking. No, that's just an excuse. I'm truly sorry.
Seiya, lift your head up. I know you didn't do it on purpose. Besides, I was basically stalking you by always standing next to you, hoping you'd noticed.
That's not true at all.
Yeah, not even close.
The difference is how you're treating me versus her. Look, I don't know how to make this right with you. I'll do whatever it takes. Just tell me what I should do.
Whatever it takes.
Yeah.
Then, could you teach me how to swim?
Huh?
Seiya, could you hold me close?
What?
I'm scared.
Okay, I got you. We're getting in.
Okay.
This is Alice's home pool. I came to her house to teach her how to swim. Mako told me she was rich. I never imagined anything like this.
Seiya, promise you won't let go of me.
Don't worry, you can touch the bottom.
But I'm scared I might slip.
Seems like she's more afraid of water than just unable to swim. It's okay, nothing to be scared of.
Okay. Seiya's hand is on my waist.
I'll support you like this. So let's start by walking around the pool.
Okay.
Hey, you're moving pretty fast. For the next month, whenever I didn't have practice, I kept coming to her house for swimming lessons. At first, she couldn't even put her face in the water, but now she can do a dead man's float. Nice! You went further than last time.
It's all thanks to you, Seiya. Thank you.
When I'm focused on swimming, I don't think about it. But here I am alone in a pool with this gorgeous girl.
Oh, Seiya, would you maybe want to grab dinner somewhere today?
Huh?
My parents are working late today, and our housekeeper called in sick. So, if you want, we could eat together. Oh, it's not like a date or anything, it's just a thanks for the swimming lessons.
Sorry.
No way.
I promised Mako and the others I'd go to the festival today.
A festival?
Yeah. Wanna come with us, Alice? If you don't mind crowds.
I'd love to.
Seiya's late.
Seriously? What's he doing?
Sorry I'm late.
You're late. Wait, Alice is here too?
Yeah. When I told him I was planning to eat together, Seiya invited me along. Is it okay if I join you guys?
Of course!
That yukata looks amazing on you. You look really cute.
Thanks. I wonder if Seiya thinks so too.
Whoa.
Gross.
Sounds like a dying animal.
I'm starving. Let's go find some food already.
We're waiting for you, you know.
Sorry about that.
Mako and Seiya are really close.
Alice, do you come to this festival every year?
Actually, this is my first time.
Really?
Yeah. Do you three come every year, Mito?
Yep, our parents have been friends since college, and we've been hanging out since we were little kids.
That's so nice.
Did Alice have feelings for Seiya?
I'm gonna grab some yakisoba.
Me too.
What about you, Alice? I'd like to try some too. My first festival was so much fun. And I felt a little envious. Thanks for walking me back, Seiya.
No problem. Are your feet okay?
Huh?
You seem to be limping. You're probably tired from swimming earlier.
No, that's not it. I haven't worn these sandals in a while, and they're rubbing.
That looks painful. Want a piggyback ride or should I carry you?
What?
I'll get you to where your car's picking you up.
No, I'm too heavy.
It's fine. Okay?
Then I'll take a piggyback ride, please.
Up you go. Whoa, something soft is pressing out against my back. Is it that thing? Because of the yukata?
Seiya,
Yeah?
do you have someone you like?
Huh? No, I don't.
Really? What about Mako?
Mako and Mito are basically like siblings to me.
I see. That's nice having childhood friends.
Alice.
I wish I could have met you sooner, Seiya. Once I learn how to swim, you probably won't want to see me anymore.
3 months later, when summer had ended and fall arrived, Alice could swim freestyle from one end of the pool to the other. That was amazing! You did it!
It's all thanks to you, Seiya.
Looks like there's nothing left for me to teach you.
Wait, does that mean that you won't see me anymore?
Alice?
I like you.
What?
At first, I felt for your swimming, but now I like everything about you, Seiya. How hard you worked to teach me, how you carried me when my feet hurt. I've fallen in love with you.
Thanks, but
He doesn't like me.
I'm not good at studying.
Huh?
And I'm big, so girls get scared of me sometimes. That's just who I am. But are you sure?
Yes?
I'm so glad. I like you too, Alice. I'm gonna go swim for a bit.
Huh? I like him so much.
And that's how Alice and I became a couple. That's where I came here to tell them, but
Which means the donuts are on you today.
what? Why?
We're Love's matchmakers here.
Exactly.
You only work together when you need something.
Alice, let's go pick out some donuts too. Okay. Mako. Thanks. Don't mention it. We're friends, right? Yeah.
I hope the four of us can keep making memories together.
Hello! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you all next time.